Yo, what's up, guys? Just got done throwing the football around, so 7-on-7. Well, technically 3-on-3, but we about to kick some field goals really quick. We got Big Peppa over here. He's about to try an attempt. What is this? 20 yards?
Yeah, 20.
Hey guys.
All right, there he is. This is his attempt number 2. Last one went to Mars. Let's see how this one goes.
Runs up on it. Their punter's terrible.
Hey, no.
He sucks. He sucks.
Dud
Milk dud.
I wish we could do like
and licorice. And licorice.
Licorice.
Back there.
licorice. Milk dud.
Licorice, milk dud, grapes, pepper, beans, and we got a big old meatloaf back here.
He sucks though, so he's not gonna make it. Oh! Hey! Who sucks? Who sucks? Not me. That's meatloaf right now.
Yes, sir.
Meatloaf right now.
This nigga having, he had that bitch out in the sun and all.
I can't help the decisions I made when I was young.
Yes, you could.
Oh, yeah, you can.
My home. Get away from me.
All right. You don't wanna get active about it right now.
Let's get out the fuck, nigga. Let's get out the fuck, nigga. Put your camera down, bitch. Don't put my camera down.
Look how big that lip is.
Huh?
Look how big that lip
Look how
is.
big that titty is.
Big, bro.
Hey, y'all should race.
You're heavy.
Y'all should race, bro.
Boom, boom.
Bro, my hips been a little tight from running all those routes.
All right, y'all, this is my last attempt, 35 yards, but this is nothing. You see this? It's my blood to do this.
Potter Messi. Oh, he shoots.
Hey!
But this is nothing.
Toca la barrera, Delgado Ferreiro, le va a pegar Cristiano Ronaldo. Allá va el portugués con pierna derecha, el golpeo de Cristiano. ¡Qué golazo! ¡Golazo!
He's smoking at the table. Never did. Last you can't even dunk. You're not. He's the best athlete at the table. You're not black.
You're not better than him.
Athlete is the.
I'm sorry, but my vote's going to have to go to Brady.
What?
Brady's the number one athlete.
Brady he can do weightlifting.
Elion.
They're not. I'm the athlete at this table. They know it. The best athletes on the table are me and Elliot. Or correction, grapes and beans.
Grapes and beans, bro.
Laz is the worst football player at this table. Then it goes CJ.
This is really better. I was fucking you up one-on-one. You can't block me.
No hands. If you did that in college,
I've dropped 2 balls this whole season. What the fuck? Matt dropped more than me. Y'all bad at D-line, they put you to O-line. Oh my god. Wait, say that.
Whoa, hold up.
It usually goes the other way around. Israel, can you catch a pass? That's what I want to know.
Boring!
Rice here. Today, we're gonna break into a castle. Yeah. There's the entrance right there. We're about to head in. Guys, jump down. You got it. Come on. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
How to get down? Truman, go climb. Climb what? That? We gotta get over and kill the Indians or something. I don't know. Alright, we found the entrance.
Alright.
We gotta just like jump over it. Come on.
Pull up.
What?
Let me see if it's even pull-upable.
Oh, it's not. Bro, this thing definitely haunted.
I'm kind of scared.
That's definitely haunted. Oh, what is that? This is the modern Native American, patrolling his lands.
Alright, y'all, we're about to... Oh! Whoa! So apparently the bathroom smells that bad because of Wesley.
That's just not bold. That's just
Alright, y'all, got Darius a little treat. Let's go give it to him. Featuring big booty eyes.
Because I'm Asian?
Yeah, because you're Asian. Oh. You could be like a good, like, Hawaii character, you know?
But why do you think that the cheerleaders need a break?
Because none of them actually do cardio.
So why do you think the cheerleaders need a break?
They need to do more cardio.
Why do you think the cheerleaders need a break?
To drink water.
What do they do to deserve water?
Nothing.
Why do you think that the cheerleaders need water? But what they do to get thirsty?
Nothing.
That's Ethan Ramsey right there. We believe he, has implants in his butt. Cause what a is that?
He's a beauty.
My name's Maddox Mosier.
My name's Gage Alden.
But
No, you're rice and
ran the
beans
whole
days,
squash
man.
time, bro.
What's my rice and beans then?
Oh shoot, what is this? What's the race?
Overweight.
I'm white.
I say that we just stop being simplicities and actually make some tackles.
Yeah. You know, these Raiders, they got a good defense, but I think it would really lock in.
Hey Garrett, why are you so late, man?
So what had happened was my car broke down, so I had to take my bike. But when I was on my bike, I ran over my neighbor's dog, and I had to go and I had to take the dog back to the neighbor, right? But I didn't have my car, so I was on my bike. So I had to one hand on the bike, one hand with this little dog, and I had to drive it back to my neighbor. And then my neighbor's car broke down, and my bike tire popped. So I had to get my friend to drive me here.
Oh damn.
And then he left. So that's why I'm here. But I'm here though.
You committed murder?
No, it's a dog.
So what do you think of this halftime performance?
All right, Ian. Yeah. If you could compare this game to one movie, what would it be?
Solely because this shit's a plane wreck.
Is that you, Cameron?
This movie is Brokeback Mountain with. You guys ever watch it? You know what I'm talking about.
If you could compare, Maria, if you could compare this halftime performance to a movie, what would it be?
The Batman. The Batman.
The Barbie movie.
What do you think about the halftime performance?
I think the halftime performance, like half of the time the performance is happening, with the halftime performance, it's always performing. So really, it's like a halftime performance right now.
Yeah.
I like it.
If you,
It's just a wild fish, if you know.
Beta, oh my
God! Look at that first. Oh my God!
I'm passing the phone to the worst kid on the baseball team.
King Gox. He's not here.
King Gox.
Oh no, it's Smith.
I'm passing the phone to the worst kid on the weightlifting team.
I'm passing the phone to the worst kid on the cross country team.
I'm passing the phone to a dude that should wear glasses. He looks too much like his mom with contacts on. I'm passing the phone to the person who has the least hair here.
I'm passing the phone to the tallest bitch at Forest High School.
Alright.
If you could compare it to a movie, what would it be?
Oppenheimer. Whenever the bomb hit all of those people.
Why would it be Oppenheimer?
Because they died.
Compare the thing to a movie.
What?
The game to a movie. Any movie. Yeah.
Hey, vlog.
How we doing, boys? And ladies. No movie comparable to this.
A lot of people have been saying,
Ladies and gentlemen, so
Can't zoom in, I can't.
hey, we get beat, bro, but it's okay.
third quarter, 50 seconds left.
Hey,
14
I get a count, bro. This shit sucks.
Hey, comment down below, down below.
Hey, predictions, score predictions, and who's gonna win, basically. We're locking in, okay? Okay.
I was.
I love white when that came out.
How are you starting this bitch?
I think you just turned the key.
Don't start it now. It's gonna explode.
Treat me like white teeth.
Alright, sir, I'm gonna stop you right there. License and registration.
I forgot it.
License and
I
registration.
don't have it.
Where is it?
I'm white. I'm white.
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure. I'm very sure.
Then where's your license?
He has a gun. He has a gun.
Oh my gosh, Elion. Go get it.
Oh my god.
You gotta catch them all, mate.
You look like an alien, bro. I don't want to catch you. You're humping the.
Oh, bro, I hate this.
Oh my goodness. Elion's locked away from the big lock. No, you don't get the lizard. No.
It's humongous.
Elion, stop. There's people playing.
You will be mine.
Bro,
That looks like Pablo from the Backyardigans, everyone. Hashtag Backyardigans. Dun, 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 dun.
You saw that, right? Yeah. I grabbed his curly tail. I grabbed that junk. He like deployed it like a glider. It came straight off and went flying into the sand, like, bro.
Just kidding, bro.
What is homie doing? Is this for TikTok?
Huh?
This for TikTok?
Don't worry about that. it's for a documentary.
For a documentary?
Yeah. Oh, he's about to get jumped. Hey, wave to the camera. Wave to the camera. Yeah.
Hi, daddies.
For real? Okay. Look at this boy.
Hopped on a squad spot. I got dropped off. I was in for like 1 minute. It's very sticky.
Yeah, is it? You were genuinely like a dog.
Whoa, my.
Like
I'll let you be, partner.
the attention span of a goldfish.
Well, there's another one.
Yeah.
Stop.
No joke.
Don't grab it.
Yo, hey.
Stop.
Hey, everybody.
Stop.
Like if you want to
Elliot,
see me
stop,
grab this
dude.
frog.
Dude, stop. Stop, bro. Bro.
It's standing right
Bro,
here. Should I
stop.
grab
It's
it?
going away. It's going away.
Oh, man.
Yeah, bro. Leave it. Bro,
I see
bro.
you. Oh, my gosh.
Bro, you're
All right,
fucking
well,
weird.
if Jaden wasn't here, I would probably grab that, but I'm about to eat, so I can't touch a frog and eat.
There's no place I'd rather be.